Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year! So in this video we are going to be going through what I got for Christmas makeup wise and have a little chin wag and a chat and a little catch up. So let's skip the intro and let's have some fun. So it's New Year at this point anyway. Time I'm recording it, it's still 2020, the worst year in the world. However, we are going into New Year. We're feeling optimistic, we're feeling rejuvenated, we're feeling refreshed. I hope you had a nice time off with your family and your loved ones, of course, following the Tier 4 guidelines. Of course, we all did. And just enjoyed yourselves. So let's skip this and go straight into the makeup. So, what did I get? I got a little array of goodies. So, you may notice today I'm wearing no makeup. And that's for a reason. It's because, girl, I've just done an 11-hour shift. I got up at 4 in the morning and I'm exhausted. Look how puffy and bagged up these eyes are. I've used my most expensive cream to try and save it. But you know what? You ain't always got to be perfect to get on camera. And girl, I'm a prime example. So, I did ask for makeup for Christmas. I didn't care what it was. I don't care how much it is. I don't care what brand it is. Any makeup at all. Even if I've already got it, just get it. I don't mind doubles, girl. So let's start with the first product. So to start this off, I did receive a Bobbi Brown Essentials gift set from my stepmom Gemma. So thank you so much. It's this really cute little bag. And when you open it up, it has like this engraved, so you see that engraved, like, what do you call it? A zip. And as you open it up inside this bag, you have so many little goodies like moisturizers and face creams. If you want to see more, then go look it up, girl. But it's got loads of little minis in it. The two things that do really stand out for me as being really exciting is this cream blush, which is actually quite a nice sized little product actually. And a Bobbi Brown nude lipstick. Look how cute that is. A cute little mini. Absolutely love that so much. When you open it up, it's this nice little like handbag ready nude lipstick just to top it up and look fresh. So that's really cute, really grateful for that. Absolutely love it. Another thing actually, girl, and you would have noticed it from the intro, is I did receive a new fan. So I've been using this busted Iggy Azalea one, which I've had for years now. Absolutely love it, it's cute. Still living for Iggy Azalea. However, I did get this one, it clacks, look. Oh yeah, did you see that? This is Aloha. It's pink with flamingos. Girl, it's just Miss Patra approved. It's Miss Patra all over. Love it. So grateful for that. Okay, I just broke it. The next product I received is the Sunset Trio by Sosu. Sosu? Girl, don't quote me. By Sosu Cosmetics. It is a like, I suppose like a contour, like kind of like starter kit kind of thing. It's got contour, blush and highlight in it. I've never used Sosu before, so really excited by that. You've got a busted ass little mirror, so you can see the triples. Ooh. So absolutely living for this. Gorgeous. Intrigued to try it. Love the packaging. Living for it. It looks high-end. Cute. Love that. The next thing I received was the Beauty Bay Pastel Palette. This one's really intrigued me. I've seen a lot of this on Instagram and on the Beauty Bay website, and it's really intrigued me because you can get them like blending pencil things. They're kind of cute, kind of feel that. And when you open it up, it has this really nice mirror and beautiful selection of pastels. See, they look really neon and bright, but don't be deceived because they are very, very pastel when they go onto your skin. Really chalky, really dusty. See, it's more like a blush. Like that would make a really cute blush actually. So they're really nice, like dusty, powdered, pigmented palettes. Love that, cute, grateful. That was from Kings. The next thing I received was also from Kings. He bought me a Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I have got the cream contour kit buried in this drawer here. It's right at the bottom, so I ain't gonna dig it out. But when you take it out the sleeve, you have this gorgeous, really heavy, really nice palette. When you open it up, it has very much the same shades as, oh, I'll get it out for you girls. Very much the same shades as this dusty, dirty old contour palette here. You see they are literally the same colors in a different organization, like, what's the word, girl? Different layout. Told you it's been a long day, okay? So this is really cute. Love that little magnetic seal on it. That was from Kings. Thank you, babe. The next thing I got was also from Kings. I know he spoils me. Very grateful. Very blessed. Is this Beauty Bay Brights palette. This I'm intrigued by because the pastels and this is like my first Beauty Bay palettes. You know, you kind of see it and you think, oh, it's made by Beauty Bay. It's going to be cheap. It's going to be crap. But do you know what? The pigmentation is there. Are you ready for this? You ready for this reveal? Oh, amazing. Love. Look at all these colors. You got all the blues, all the purples, all the greens, all the red, all the pink, and all the nudes or lewds, as I seem to always say on this channel. And you have this humongous palette. Look at this. Look at this makeup. It's cluttered the house. So there is the palette. And then moving on, the next thing I received. Now these are like all lip products now because, girl, these lips, you know, they're wearing thin, like my mental stability. But at some point they are going to get big, and I want lipsticks ready for it. I want to be ready. So for such a long time, I have wanted a Jeffree Star lip gloss, and I finally have one. I've never been able to justify spending, like, I think it's like 15, 16 pounds on a lip gloss. I just can't do it. Like, for me financially right now, that's just too much. This is in the shade Crystal Climax. I love Jeffree Star's names of things. This is in Crystal Climax, and when you open it up, it has the most gorgeous, like, crown top, like very regal, very royal, and when you put it out, it has a really nice doe flip. I'll never get it, girl. Look at that. Oh, girl, love it. It's so chromy, like gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch them because these products will be coming up in videos. Girl, a little backstory. Kings and I actually broke the bed, and no, it wasn't through doing that. If it was, I wish it was. It'd make a better story, but the reality is I went to go pick up my phone, I sat down and I broke it. Girl, let's just be honest with you. Weight ain't sitting well on me, is it? Let's be real. The face is getting fatter, the body's getting fat. Anyway, because of that, I can't really afford makeup this month because I also have to pay for my college course, which starts at the end of the month. I'm going to do that tonight. I really must do that. So the girl ain't got no coins. So this is amazing. These makeups will be lasting me throughout the month. You'll be seeing a feature in videos coming up. I have various things planned. It's not going to be like reviewing this or reviewing this. It's very much going to be like comparing this to this and this to that and doing a full face doing this brand, blah, 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 blah. Cute the house, and now you're bored. So the next thing I got, I don't even know what this brand is. It was like, I saw it on the website before. It says Pro at the top. I don't know if it's Revolution Pro. I can't remember now. I remember pointing out before, it was really cheap, reduced to clear. It's just a purple liquid lipstick. Gorgeous shade. It comes out lovely. It's a bit more like of a raspberry purple than a deep purple like it looked like on the pictures and in the bottle there. But the glass is obviously tinted. Conned. So the next thing I got was a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord. I know a lot of drag queens actually cut their creases with this. Something I won't be doing. But if you do want to try it, it's an honourable tip. It's been used by many of the greatest queens. However, I'm not a queen. I'm just a boy who wears makeup. So I'll be using it for my lips. I just think it's beautiful. I've seen the pictures. Jeffree Star's products are amazing. It has the most beautiful, beautiful packaging. It's the most crystal clear white. Like, it literally looks like Tipex. Look, you can't get no white. It's actually whiter than my jumper. It is that white. Gorgeous, gorgeous products. I can't wait to use it. And I've decided that this year I'm going to stop using my cheap makeup. Like, I've been waiting for this to run out so I can go onto my new foundation. Girl, this is dead to me now. We're moving on in the world. We're going up in the world because you don't know what could happen next week. The reality is anything could happen. Because even, for example, yesterday, I got pulled over by the police, yeah? Because I was driving recklessly. That is enough to push me over the edge at the minute. So you don't know what's around the corner. Enjoy yourselves. Last year my mum bought me the shade Birthday Suit Jeffree Star lipstick. It's starting to flake and expire the house. I've never used it. It's brand new. I just took it out of the box literally 5 minutes ago. Well, that's a lie, 15. And I'm excited to use it. It's a nude or a lewd, whatever you want to call it, dude. So moving on to the next product. It is a bit of a basic girl one. I actually thought this was a double, but it's not. This is actually just a similar shade. So I already have the Revolution lipstick in the shade Cute. However, this one is in the shade Cupcake. They look so similar to the house. This is like a light one. This is a dark one. Love it. This has been in many videos. I like the weight of it. I like the feel of it. I like the package of it. And you know what? I hate Revolution eyeshadow with a passion. I hate their highlighters. I love their setting powders. And I love their lipsticks. So that was a real win. That's from Kingsley as well. All of the other ones previously mentioned are from Kingsley too. Here's an absolute babe. So the next product also, guess who it's from? Kingsley. Actually, all the others are from Kingsley. I'm just going to stop saying it now. This is a Beauty Bay lip gloss. I'm a bit shook at the house, and I am going to swatch this one because I was shook. So a lip gloss is, as it says, a lip gloss. It's just to go over this PS Primark lipstick. That is the shade Bear. Or the other one, girl, called Romance. I'm using this one today. Cute, I like it. It's frosted. I think it costs like £1.50, girl. It's good for on the go if you're just doing like, you know, it's just a crappy little wash up like this faces. But this, I love the packaging. It says lip gloss all around it. It's got the Beauty Bay B on top. And when you pull it out, it's not really a gloss. It's not really a gloss. Look. But when you put it on here, it's very opaque. Look at that red. Whoa. Like, it is glossy. It's a glossy red. You can see it picking up in the ring lights here. But I would say it's not a gloss. It will give you glossy ass lips. Like, you're going to have some cherry ass lips after this. But it's not glossy, I wouldn't say. I'm not like a gloss like you put on like a topper. Because if you try like this one, this PS lip gloss, which is a topper. If I just put that next to it as an example, it's much more clearer. Yeah. See, that's a topper and a gloss. This is more like a liquid lipstick, just a very glossy one. So I'm intrigued to use it in a look. I've not tried it yet. So the next product I got was another one by Sosu. I love the packaging of this. It looks a bit more like a battered old tampon, to be honest with you. But girl, who am I to judge? If you want to brand yourselves after a battered old tampon, I mean, I feel like a battered old tampon. I mean, the amount of red lipstick I got, I probably would look like a battered old tampon. But do you know what? I ain't here to judge. We all do what we want to do. So this is a nice little nude lipstick. Absolutely love this. I'm not being shady of the house. If it's a proper cheap one, don't worry about it. So the last product I received from my beautiful, gorgeous fiance, which I'm so lucky to have, incoming picture from Christmas Day, is this Revolution X something or other. I've forgotten it now. Some personal brand, I don't even go. I can't even get my words out. It is a red. So you take the lid off. Oh, here you go. Oh no, just teasing. It is a really nice deep red. It has the butterfly embellishment. Girl, I don't even know the house. Just here. And there, you see that? You see that? I don't know. It's there. And it's a really nice deep red. And do you know what's really cute about this one? Is if you've got literally no taste, what you can do, if you really want to up your outfit, is you can wear the butterfly as a ring. How cute is that? If you really are dire and you have literally zero self-respect and pride, then you can wear this. It's fantastic. 2 for the price of 1, girl. Who doesn't love a bargain? So that is absolutely mind-blowing. Moving on, there is one more thing, nothing exciting, it's a lip pencil revolution. There you are. So that's my summary of what I got for Christmas. And this isn't to gloat, this isn't to bloat. This is me just showing you what I got, because I personally, when I watch these kind of videos on YouTube, live for it. It gives me inspiration, you get a feel for it. It lets you know a bit more about me, Miss Patra. And you know what, I'm feeling a bit more rough and ready today, if you can't tell. I ain't got my makeup on. This is more like down to earth. This is Aaron Telford right now. Gritty, and I'm going to deal with ya to the point, do you know what I mean? No messing. Whereas Miss Patra's very much like, oh girl, the house, busted the house. Whereas this is just Aaron Telford now, do you know what I mean? Gritty voice, knackered, massive bags, and awful skin. But you know what? It's 2020, what do you expect? So, let's wrap up this video, girl, and let's get out of here. So, there you are. That's what I got for Christmas. Let me know what you got. Let me know what you want to get, what you wish you got that you didn't get. Tell me it all. I want to know about it. So there you are, Miss Patra. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's up in one of these corners. I don't know. I'll work it out one day, girl. I don't know. Don't pressure me. I'm stressed. I'm tired. But I will see you later. Have a very happy new year. Because at this point, it will be New Year, New You. And girl, you're not alone. So I'll see you later. You take care. Ciao, Bella. I love you. Goodbye.